Okay, so in this video, we're going to learn about transformations. Okay, now the transformations panel can be accessed over here on the panels. So click on panels and you click on transform. And when you click on transform, you should see this little box over here, this transformations panel appear in the lower corner. Okay, so first, I'm going to draw an arbitrary link. So let's say I'm going to draw a link of an arbitrary length, just like that. Okay. So you notice I have a bunch of different options here, right? So if I click on this button, this rotates it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So if I click on it, it does exactly that. Okay. I'm going to reset it. Okay. I'm going to draw another link. And this one rotates at 90 degrees clockwise, just like that. Okay. Now, for this one, I'm going to draw an arbitrary polygon, just like that, S1. Okay, so this button here mirrors about about a horizontal axis, just like that. And this one will mirror about a vertical axis, just like that. Okay. And also you have a bunch of buttons here that says like this one that duplicates it. So if I duplicate it, it creates an exact copy of it, which can be very useful. Okay. And I'm just going to delete that. And I'm going to draw another link. Okay, so I'm going to click on these three dots here, and you notice that when I click on those three dots, I have some more options, okay? So this over here, this fx and fy, you can set your reference frame here, okay? So 0, 0 means that my reference frame is set at the origin, 0, 0, okay? Which is usually where you'd want it, but you can set it to wherever you like. Okay, and then tx and ty are your translation vectors, okay? So let's say I want to translate this link 1 unit to the right and 1 unit up, okay? Well, that's very easy. I just click 1, 1, and then I select the link and I hit apply, and it translates it 1 unit to the right and 1 unit up, just like that. And by the way, 1 unit, right now I have it set to 1 inch, okay? That's the default setting. Okay, so let's bring it back over here. Now, over here, Sx and Sy are your scale factors, okay? So let's say I want to scale it I want to scale it in the x direction by scale factor of 2, and scale it in the y direction by scale factor of 2, okay? So I put in 2, 2, click on the link, I apply, and it gets twice as big, as you can see. And then finally, I have R here. R stands for rotation. Now, the rotation is in degrees, and it's measured from the positive x-axis counterclockwise, okay? So if I put in 90 here, it should rotate 90 degrees, just like that, okay? And if I put 180, it should rotate 180 degrees. Oh, sorry, I forgot to select it. Always make sure you select the thing you want to apply the transformation to before you hit apply. Okay, let's select 90, select it, apply, and it rotates 90 degrees, just like that. Okay, and one last thing before I end this video, you can actually measure the length of a certain link by clicking this measure button here in the base panel. If I click measure, and then I select a joint here, and then a joint here, it will tell me the distance between the joints. In this case, it is 4 inches. And then if I double click it, I can actually change the length of it. Let's say I want to change it to 5 inches. I delete this, I hit 5, just like that, and it becomes 5 inches. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to end the video here, and in the next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about path and motion synthesis. All right.